Welcome to this lesson on flow operators in Kotlin Coroutines. Today, we'll explore three essential operators: map, filter, and transform. These operators are fundamental tools for transforming data as it flows through your coroutine streams. Flow operators are transformation functions that modify emitted values as they travel through the stream. They are intermediate operators, which means they are applied between flow creation and collection. When you use an operator, it returns a new flow with the transformation applied, without modifying the original flow. The map operator is used to transform each emitted value. In this example, we create a flow that emits the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We then apply the map operator to multiply each value by 2. Finally, we collect and print each transformed value. Here's what the map operator produces. The output shows 2, 4, and 6. Each original value was transformed by multiplying it by 2. The map operator applies your transformation function to every single value that flows through the stream. The filter operator selectively emits values based on a condition. In this example, we create a flow that emits 1, 2, 3, and 4. We apply the filter operator to only allow even numbers through by checking if each value modulo 2 equals 0. Then we collect and print the filtered results. The filter operator produces only 2 and 4 as output. Values 1 and 3 were filtered out because they didn't match our predicate condition. Filter only emits values when the predicate returns true, effectively removing unwanted values from the stream. The transform operator is the most flexible of the three. Unlike map, which emits exactly one value per input, transform allows you to emit multiple values or even skip emissions entirely. In this example, for each input value, we emit a string that says start followed by the value, and then emit the value multiplied by 2. Here's the output from the transform operator. For input value 1, we see start :1 followed by 2. For input value 2, we see start :2 followed by 4. Notice how each input value produced two separate emissions. This demonstrates the power of transform for complex flow manipulations where you need complete control over what gets emitted.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.